Hi, so today I'm going to talk about my current events lesson plan. I'm just going to go over what I have down and kind of why I chose it. So I'm going to start with, this is mainly for like a 4th or 5th grade class. It's going to take about 2 class periods, I figure. And it's on current events. And I kind of chose to do like why current events are important and how they are addressed is important to pay attention to as well. So some of the assignments that I chose to give the students was a scavenger hunt, where I will put them into groups, and then they will have this paper right here, which will give them these phrases or like keywords that they'll have to look up to find the article / current event that I want them to. This will just teach them how to kind of go searching for them and how to know kind of which ones are the right ones, which ones are real, maybe, and just to be able to do their research on current events as well. Okay, so the next one that we're doing is becoming an editor, I called it. So they are going to choose between 3 different articles that I'll give them about a current event, and they're going to have to try and write, it's just a short one, they're going to write a short 2-paragraph article about it, so that they can get an idea of like how to write it and how that's going to go. I really just want them to pay attention to how they're writing it, what they're going to include, just so that they can learn how to like get the facts across and kind of realize how important it is to be able to explain to people what is happening. And then I'll kind of go over and ask them like why it's important to write their articles in this certain way. Just see if they understand, and then we can continue that discussion. Moving on, I found this really cool website. It's called Student News Daily, where you can go and find a bunch of current events for like kids that they can learn on. So I will give them a laptop. They will log on to the Student News Daily website, and they will find 2 current event articles on the website to read about. They will then just discuss these with their table partners and why it was important to them, why it stuck out to them. And then we'll just come back together and we'll talk about why current events are important, like why we should be paying attention to what's going on, and why just kind of how they're being portrayed in the world, and why that's important too. So kind of just excited about this one. That was kind of fun. Yeah, thanks.